Welcome to my review India. I'm just going to discuss a app called eCodes Services. This is the front interface. When we open the app, this will look like this. Here is search by CNR option. CNR is a 16-digit alphanumeric code contain state codes, district code, year and case number, which is a collaboration of the case numbers, previous case numbers and new case number. The CNR number is national number, so we have to just put the CNR number and click on search. We will got the exact report of a specific case. Otherwise we can go to case status and select the appropriate case by selecting a state, district, code complex, etc. We will discuss very easily. Here is a menu option. When we go to menu, this option is added when high court is added in this app. Now district court and high court is also controlled in one app. Here is config option. In config option you can select either high court or district court or both. This is the menu option. Menu contain home, about us, CNR, case status, cause list, my cases, import, export, config. The config menu we have seen previously. Code complex, ePay. ePay is not active in all India but active from some places. Just we search eCode services, take picture. When we are going to scan QR code, the QR code is also available in this app. When we are going to scan this, we have to allow the picture and recording facility, so we have to allow this app. Now we are going to just discuss case status by district and state. We have to first select. Here we have selected Delhi. This is the state list. When we select a state list, the district is complete occurred. We have to select district. Then after we have to select case number, our party name, our filing number, our FIR number, advocate, our act, our case type. From any one, just we are going to see the case number. When we are going to select the case number, first we have to select the key code complex. We have selected Central Delhi. Here two code complex situated. One is Tis Hazari code, another is Rouse Avenue code complex. We have just selected Tis Hazari code. Then we have to select the case type. In which case type we have to search. We have selected bail matters. Then we have to search, enter the case number and the case year. Enter on go. We will got one result from district and session code. Just we are going and clicking on district and session code. This is the QR code which is made from CNR number. Case status contains first hearing date, decision date, case status. This status has been, the case has been disposed, nature of disposal, court number, etc. These are the main menu of case status. Case details, case status, QR code, petitioner, advocate, petitioner and his advocates, respondent and his advocates, acts, in which sections the case has been lodged, FIR details, history of case hearing, final order and judgment. When we are going to final order and judgment, the order dated, order details is available. Sometimes the copy is also available. When we click copy the order, we will got in PDF or other format which is available. We can also search by party name. We have to just select, click on party name. We have to select code complex, enter the party name and registration year, means case year in which the case is filed. Here three buttons. The case is either pending or disposed or both. We have to select anyone and click on go. We can got the case status. The other way, by filing number and year. Search by FIR number, we have to select the police station, enter the FIR number and year. By advocate name and date of cause list, case list. We can also select by enter the advocate name and we can search. We can also search by act, like we have to search the act like 302 IPC. We have to enter the act type, and under section we have to search that how many cases is pending in 30,000 courts in year or after the registration of new courts apps, that how many cases pending from 302 sections. We can also go to by case type. Case type we very easily understand: family case, divorce case, complaint case. So first we have to select the case and then year, in which year we have to search. We have to enter the year and go to select anyone, pending or disposed. If the case is disposed, we have to click on disposed and go. Pre-trial application has been added now. Caveat is also added now. We can go to third step, cause list. When we select the state and district court complex, the court number appears here with designation like additional judge, district judge, etc. We have to enter the cause list date. 15-day backward and 15-day forward we can download the cause list. When we click on civil, the civil cause list downloaded. When we click on criminal, the criminal cause list will be downloaded in PDF format. This is the My Case tab. When we click on My Cases, we have added one by one cases in My Cases. Here is a graph. We have 57 disposal cases, we have undated cases, and these are the cases as like we have on 24th April we have 5 cases. This is in bracket shown the case number and this is the date. Very easy to update it. When we click on this button, the app is easily updated, and the next it is automatically updated. When we are going to, we can import the complete file which we have saved. We also export and share our cases. For future use, we can save it on email. In help menu, we are going to click on help. We will go on to services.ecourts.gov.in where we can find help. When we configure the High Court, a special tag High Court is added on the top of the app. The same process is adopted to search and find the status. We have just done by case number. We have to select case type, we have to select branch, we have to select High Court and go. We will got one result. So many High Courts is not appear in this app. When we select the court and the bench, we will got this notification: selected High Court not migrated to NC. This is the eCourt Services app, which is very useful for advocates practicing in civil courts and high courts. Thank you for watching this video. We will be available with new app and new taglines for advocates. Thank you.